Bam! Are we ready for Pride Month? Pride Month is like one of my favorite months of the year. You want to know how you guys can have Pride at home? Well, Morphe, bitch, just came out with the collection of the year, and it's the Pride edition. Now, I look forward to this collection since last year because last year's Pride collection was insane. I love it. I still have the palette on my desk. So if you guys are ready to execute this Pride look, keep watching because I'm gonna teach you guys how to celebrate Pride at home. I'm so excited because today's video is sponsored by MANSCAPED, which is one of my favorite brands for perfect male grooming, and they just launched the new Weed Whacker, and this is the perfect way to make sure your nose hair and ears hair is perfectly groomed and cute. So keep watching and let's find out more about it. You guys, we all know I am so obsessed with Manscaped. It's the perfect way for male grooming and making sure your body hair is all off, shaving your face, getting into drag. I always use Manscaped to prep my face, to get into makeup and start my day. Literally, this is the perfect way. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but if you guys have not trimmed your nose hairs or did anything to your ear hairs, I actually never said ear hairs, this is the perfect tool for you guys because it's so silent, it's amazing, and it's comfortable, and it will definitely make sure you are groomed. Bitch, the nose is something that you do not want to talk about. The Weed Whacker is waterproof, it's cordless, it has high performance, and it's super silent as well. And what a great way to keep this next to your collection of Manscaped products. The Weed Whacker comes with the same skin safe technology from the lawn mower body trimmer, which helps reduce nicks, snags, and tugs. All right, guys, so go ahead and jump over to Manscaped right now and pick up your Manscaped tool for the best grooming. And make sure you guys use my code Kimora and it saves you 20% off now. So excited, but you guys, it is Pride season. We're gonna go ahead and dive into some Pride makeup, a collection by a brand that I love so much, Morphe, duh. So keep watching and let's find out what they have in store this year. I wanna take this time to say happy Pride Month. As a gay man, I am just so thankful I'm gay and fabulous and just living my true self. And I hope you guys take this month and really do enjoy Pride. It's just an amazing time to celebrate. I hope you guys are celebrating at home and being safe. Girl, today we're gonna go ahead and play with a new Pride collection. I'm so excited because Morphe, now you all know I'm such a Morphe babe and I love Morphe, I stand by it, and Morphe is just one of those brands to me that's just so amazing when it comes to collaborations and giving back to the community. I just want to shout out to Morphe and say thank you so much for giving back. Last year, we got the Morphe palette Pride edition, and this is one of my favorite palettes. It's been on my desk since last year. I can't put this one away because I love this palette so much, and I brought it out again today, you guys, because we're gonna combine this with the new palette and really try to make the perfect rainbow eye. Whatever rainbow means to you, it's good to me because I love rainbows and rainbows make people happy. So this year, Morphe 2020, they partnered up with GLSEN. So inside it does say, we strive to create a safe space where you feel understood, accepted, and loved. A place free of judgment and full of inspiration, where you can rock a full beat or kick it low key. And the only thing that really matters is exploring your creativity. A place where you can speak out loud and shine your light, where only you decide how you live your life. Morphe is a place where you can be she, he, they, free, you, hashtag free to be you. Shout out to Morphe for that. That's amazing how they put this in font. That's something that we would always love to hear. And it also just reminds us that it's safe to be you, and that's what matters the most. They also included 7 ambassadors with their own story and being a part of the LGBT community. I just love it that they're all teenagers, and I can't imagine like growing up right now being a teenager. I'm sure it was as difficult as it was for me. Everyone's journey is super different, and everyone's journey will always come to a happy ending, hopefully, and that's just what I'm putting out into the air. That being said, we have the full PR box in my studio, and this year they made a lunch pail, which I'm obsessed with because we love a good old lunch pail. I'm not too sure where I'm gonna be going. Literally, this is so adorable, and over here it says hashtag free to be you. So you guys, make sure you guys are posting looks from Morphe. And honestly, if you guys don't have any rainbow collections at home, pull out some shadows, create your own rainbow collection, and make sure you guys tag hashtag free to be you. Opening up the PR inside, let's pull this out. They made sure I am super stocked. So inside we do have the continuous setting mist. We all know I live for this mist, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this right here. They also gave me some socks, so this is kind of cool. Okay, come on, bitch. And the sock says, she, he, they, free, you, Morphe. So cute. We also have one of my favorite things I love to see with any collection and any collaborations, if the collaboration has brushes. I mean, come on, like, you can't have a collaboration with no brushes. Like, come on, really? Come on, give us the tools. So Morphe is great about that. And inside they do have the iconic brush set. And it comes with 6 different brushes and it's like this nice holographic kind of case. Oh, also we have a lip gloss. So this one is called Speak Out. Now we all love a good old lip gloss, you guys. So let's see the color. Are you guys ready? Ooh, it's super clear, super shimmery. I mean, honestly, like I would honestly, this is gonna go in my purse and carry it every day. So we're gonna be playing with that as well. And then this is the 10G Glisten palette. So cute. I love the packaging. It's like this perfect rainbow essence to it. And in the back, it has 10 shades that dazzle. Put on your glitz with these shimmer shades featuring velvety silk slip toppers and glam glitters. You'll be serving up looks that are some sure to sparkle. It's your ultimate shining moment. Hashtag Morphe babe. Before we open this and show you guys the colors, make sure you guys jump over to Morphe.com now and get your Pride collection. I've seen it online, but I haven't seen it in person. This is so cute. So compared to size, I mean, obviously I want a size like this, but I mean, sizes doesn't matter, you guys. It's about how it works and what the colors look like. So pulling it out, let's see. Very glitz and glam. I mean, it's all shimmers. I'm actually excited to pull out the older palette because it does have matte shadows in there and I think this will top perfectly. And these are very shimmery. Like I'm talking about like, girl, let's go ahead and just swatch this one. This one's called Live Your Life and it's super glitzy. This one's called Be a Visionary. That's actually really pretty. That one's called Be a Visionary. Let's go ahead and do one more. Let's do Accept Everyone. And this one's in a purple shade. So cute. Oh, I definitely would be touching that today. So I'm gonna pull out Drug Lord, and this is the Velour liquid lipstick, and we're gonna go ahead and just line a white line underneath the eyes. I think for a rainbow look today and how colorful it is, it's gonna look really pretty if we do a little thin white line just to really pop out the eyes. And I'm kind of thinking blues should kind of go on this side. Yeah, I'm gonna do my best to kind of fade those colors in. So taking that blue, you guys, just really getting that color to be its perfect shade. And then what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm going to maybe cut my crease. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna wrap that blue underneath to really make sure the colors on the bottom of the eye look the same as the top. And then what I'm gonna do with the shimmer, you guys, is I'm gonna add the shimmer right on top of the mattes. I'm gonna pull out this green called Nature from the rainbow palette from last year and blend it as much as I can. We're gonna do our best to add different shades of green. Okay, so taking a little bit color of Thrive and just really blending it in. So taking that other shade of green. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty. I think it's gonna flow very nice. So taking that same blue again, you guys, we're gonna jump into a lighter shade. I picked like this really pretty sky blue and just blending that into the green. And what you wanna do is that you wanna put those two blues together and just really create this bluish green kind of moment. See, so it's kind of forming into like this half green, half blue kind of moment. Taking that green and bringing it underneath. And what you want to do on the top is what you want to kind of create on the bottom. So now moving on, I think it's gonna look really good with this blue. So taking that shade and just, whoa, that's pigmented. Just blending it. But you don't want to cover up that really pretty aqua blue that you just put on. Now let's go ahead and pull out some purple shades. I'm gonna pull out the color SF and we're gonna do this side. And taking that color and just really saturating it. And then once that's kind of like saturated in there, we're gonna take some pink, this color called Sexuality, tap it in the inner corner, and I want you guys to raise it just like we did to the green. And then now this is gonna be the fun part. So pulling out another brush, we're gonna take some orange, this color called Lit in the Be Perfect, and we're just gonna blend that. Just a little pop of orange, and I want you to blend that orange into that purple. I'm gonna pop some orange underneath here to really bring in those two colors. And I'm gonna take that and bring it out and blend out that purple. Taking that brush with the purple again, we're gonna apply some more purple in there to really deepen it. There's another color here called Persuasion in the Be Perfect palette, and I'm just gonna add that right here. It's gonna add the perfect amount of maroon. There's a color called Wasted, and we're gonna add that as well. Purple and blue is like the main focus. So now we want a touch of yellow, and I'm trying to find out where I need to put yellow because I forgot about fucking yellow. Where can I put yellow? The color called Sunlight. Let's go ahead and add it like right here. Okay, let's see if there's a red. Is there a red? I mean, honestly, red is like rainbow, you guys. We need to add a red in there somewhere. So pulling out a very tiny brush, I'm gonna pinch some red where the pink is to really give it like that nice pop of color. This can either go really good or go really bad. Ooh, that's so good. I love it. Okay, we're gonna cut this fucking motherfucking crease, bitch. So pulling out, actually, let's just go ahead and use the Velour liquid lipstick. So pulling out Drug Lord, we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease. And if you guys have never cut your crease with these before, I really do recommend trying slowly. Ooh, see, just like that. I love cutting with the liquid lipstick because it does kind of give like this nice sheer kind of moment. And that color underneath it just makes it look so pretty. Now, the only thing about doing that is that sometimes in here you start to mix the colors. All right, so as that's drying, we're gonna jump into this palette. So pulling out, I'm gonna take some blue. This is Inspired to Change. It's a shimmery aqua blue, and I'm just gonna tap it on that crease. Ooh, that's pretty. Changing up the brush, you guys, we're gonna take that purple and we're gonna do the same thing on that other side. This one's called Accepting Everyone. And don't worry if you can't cover it because it is a shimmer. We're gonna go back with a little bit of matte to really bring in that shade. Love Yourself is a glitter. Oh wow, that's so pretty. When it comes to glitter, you guys, please make sure you get a brush that you can just really control, because glitter can just be really messy. Now, to go back and correct, you guys, we're gonna take some of that brush and let's go ahead and bring in some of the purples to really fade it in. I want the lid to be super white. I'm gonna pull out my shadow taco from Sugar Pill and I'm just gonna tap it white. Might be a little messy, but it's okay. That's so pretty! Pulling out a black liner from House Labs. Let's go ahead and just bring in some liner effect. Ooh, I love it. All right, so now we're gonna really define the crease. So pulling out another brush, now a flat brush, now taking a dark green, and let's go ahead and just really define that crease. I want that crease sharp. Okay, so same thing here. Let's go ahead and define that side. And then voila, you guys, now we are fully ready for lashes. Shout out to Baddie B lashes. Now these are the hashtag extra lashes, and what's special about these, you guys, is that they revamped it and made them bigger. They look so fucking stunning. So you guys jump over to Baddie B lashes on Instagram and check them out. Get yourself a pair of hashtag extra. When purchasing Baddie B lashes, go ahead and use my code Kimora at the end of the purchase, and that does save you off some money. The less glue you use, I truly think that does help the lifespan of a lash. So I kind of go like that. That is stunning. All right, so moving on to the next one. All right, you guys, so that lash is finally on. They're not like big in a crazy way, they're just bigger, you know. What I think for lips, I was going to do nude. I feel like that is so easy. So I think because, I mean, honestly, I think we need red because it's like pink and purple and blue and green, a little bit of yellow in the middle. I think red will really seal the deal and make it that perfect like rainbow inspired look. So we're gonna go ahead and pull out Very Cherry and House Labs Le Monster Lip Crayons in 1950. Oh, that's pretty. This side is higher than this side. Bitch, that's what they're gonna get. Okay, so taking that lip crayon, this is 1950. Wow, that is like so fucking stunning. Next, let's go ahead and put on the gloss. So this one is called Speak Out. This is a part of the Pride collection, and we're gonna just go ahead and use this as a top coat to really seal the deal and give that perfect juicy red glossy lip. All right, you guys, voila, bitch, this, woo! We did it, you guys. We achieved the rainbow look. I love this yellow like vibe in the middle. You guys know what time it is. It's time for a wig, and I will be right back. Bam, girl. Ah, look at all this rainbow. Woo! I'm feeling very pride. It's fucking Pride Month. So go out there and, I mean, I don't know about going out there, but you know, just celebrate Pride the safe way. And make sure you guys head over to Morphe.com and get your limited Pride edition collection ASAP, because I'm sure it's gonna run out. All proceeds go over to GLSEN, and check out GLSEN as well on Instagram and shout them out as well. Thank you to BADDIE Lashes. So make sure you guys head over to BADDIE Lashes and get some lashes. Stock up, because girl, these lashes are so, oh, I love it. But in the meantime, you guys, thank you so much. I'm gonna just say, we're hit 50K, girl. We're at 50K already, and I'm so excited to be 50K subscribers on YouTube. I can't say enough. Thank you so much for the love and support. I love you, and I will see you guys next week.